excited today because we're going to review and unbox the VTOMAN 2500 Jump Starter and the 100 PSI Air Compressor. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, what I have here is the VTOMAN 2500 car battery jump starter and tire inflator. And the cool thing about the X1 model, it is getting smaller and smaller. And the VTOMAN is really compact. And VTOMAN contacted me like last week and they answered the challenge. What I have here is my Jaguar XJR. And the thing about Jaguar XJR, the battery is really big. And once the battery is drained, it's really hard to jump start. A while back in Baltimore airport, the weather was really cold. It was like the coldest time in Maryland. And I was picking up my wife and daughter, and guess what? There was a lady on the 4th floor at the BWI airport parking lot. She was waving on the 4th floor and there was nobody. For some reason, something impressed me to go up to the 4th floor where there was no one. And then once I got there, this lady was waving like, help, help, help. And guess what? I found a mother with a sick child in a Lexus SUV. And the thing was, she went to Chicago for the child medical treatment. And guess what happened? She left the car at the Baltimore airport parking lot for the whole day and she forgot to turn off her headlight. And guess what? She had a dead battery. A good thing a YouTuber like me went into the 4th floor and found her. Can you imagine if you got stuck in the winter like right now? It's really cold here in Virginia. And it's really dangerous when your car battery is dead when the weather is cold. And you can die, okay? This kind of device in your car will save your life and your family. So it is important to have a car jump starter and tire inflator in your car as part of your emergency tool in your car. When I come back, let's unbox the VTOMAN X1 model. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm like a little child on a Christmas day waiting to open his present. VTOMAN told me, hey, we can wake up your Jaguar car dead battery. So I said, are you sure before you send me this unit? Because I'm gonna say the honest thing on my review. And they said, yeah, we can wake that up. Okay, fine. So they sent me this unit, which is the X1 unit. So yeah, let's unbox it and take a look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Nice box. Of course, user manual. It's amazing that the amp for this tiny unit is up to 2500 amp. That's pretty high for a tiny little thing, okay? And the thing is, the size is becoming more compact, which is a good thing for consumer like us, you know, because we don't want to carry like the whole thing. Before, like car battery jump starter and air compressor were so big, you can do a weightlifting with it. But with this one, it's so tiny and it doesn't take so much car space, right, in the trunk. And look at this. Oh my lord, look, isn't that nice? VTOMAN thought about giving you a bag. This is really nice. Good job, VTOMAN. So it comes with a nice bag. There you go, that you can open. And look, this is that kind of thing that is really cool that companies innovate, you know. They put it in 2 compartments so it's not messy. One side is for the unit itself, the other side is for the cables, okay? So let's take a look at it. And look at that, it's tiny. This is tiny. It's not pocket size, but it is tiny, okay? Look, it doesn't take so much space in the car. You can just put it in the corner and that's it, right? So with the bag, of course. So you got the unit itself. Okay, before you use a car battery jump starter, always recharge it to the full capacity before you use it. I don't care any model, out there, once the unit arrives, you must recharge it until it hits full bar. So okay. Oh, good. Comes with a car jump starter. Okay, the cool thing about this car jump starter, let's say the battery is totally dead like my Jaguar XJR right now. I run the headlights and all the lights, okay, all day long until it's finally drained and I can't start it now. And the cool thing about VTOMAN, it has that boost button right here. Let's say your car battery is so low and there is no more energy, the power is too low. You know, some jump starter can't jump start it anymore because the car battery is too low. But with this boost button, VTOMAN said, hey, we can, you know, jump start a dead battery even though the voltage is really low. So here we go, cool stuff. We're gonna put it to the test today. Oh, look, it comes with a car recharger cable. Important stuff. You need this just in case you're stranded, right? Well, your car battery, technically you can't do it. You recharge it while the car is still running. So okay, this is very nice. A lot of starter companies, they didn't give you this wall USB recharger unit, so that's good stuff. And the tire inflator connector, important. And here we go, a USB cable for recharging your VTOMAN unit to the wall. And look, not only you can use this unit to inflate a car tire, you can also use it for motorcycle and bicycle. So yeah, this is cool stuff. So this is what you get right here: a unit, jump start cable, car recharger cable, wall unit, you know, adapter, USB-C cable, USB-C. So let's say you don't have this, you can connect it to regular USB-C cable. So it's good stuff. And tire inflator cable and bunch of adapter here and a manual. So yeah, when I come back, let's check it out, how to jump start my Jaguar dead battery. I'll be back. Hi everyone, in this review I tried to make the scenario as realistic as possible. It's cold weather, it's raining, and you are stuck with a dead car battery. And in this case, I'm stuck on the road with my Jaguar XJR. And then, okay, I'm gonna start my car. I'm not playing up, come here. To make sure people believe what I'm doing, no power, nothing. I can't even start the car. Nothing. The battery is so low. It's not able to start the car at all. So VTOMAN said, we can start that. Are you sure? Before you sending me this unit? Yes, we can do it. Okay, fine. Let's do it then. In order to jumpstart your car, you know, you want to connect this cable to. Okay, you can't go wrong. There's only one way in, one way out. So you know, see that? You have to connect it like that, and then okay, the red one, of course, go to the positive terminal, and the negative terminal. Okay, it says contact is good according to VTOMAN instruction. Connect the battery, and then the green light illuminates. That means it's really cool. This cable is super cool. The thing is, it gives you an indicator that connection is good. So now, okay, it says do not press boost button, which is this one, before, let's say the car is too low, right? If it's not gonna start, we're gonna use the boost button. Let's see if we have to use the boost button or not. But right now, VTOMAN said, yeah, I don't think we need the boost button, but just in case, you know, the thing is, it will override the safety features and just shock your car, like, you know, when somebody's dead, like, you know, the same thing with my Jaguar. It's dead right now. Let's check it out. They say do not press the boost button yet. Let's see if they really minute. Here we go. First attempt. Nope. It's too low. So, yeah. I said, okay, fine. If the battery, what do you call that, is really, really low, then it's time to use the boost button. So I'm gonna use the boost button now. I'm gonna press it, right? Ah, the boost button. We'll see. Second attempt. So yeah, so this is cool. Oh man, VTOMAN, you did it. You passed the EJ Garage car jump starter test today. Not only your jump starter is able to jump start a car battery that is completely dead. It works. That boost button is really, really something. It offers any safety feature and just shut the dead to life. So yeah, you guys passed. Okay, when it comes to jump starter, I'll give you guys 5 star out of 5 because this is cool stuff, man. Oh, I'm so happy. This is it. Look, the car is running again. I can't believe it. And look at that. This is so cool. Well, when I come back, I'll show you how to use the tire inflator. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm really excited today because we just saw that the VTOMAN Jump Starter was able to bring my Jaguar dead car battery to life, and it's so amazing that a unit that is this small, this is really compact. And I was shocked when it first came yesterday. When I look at it, man, this thing is so small, and it has a very powerful air compressor, which is really cool. The thing is, I was stuck in Fairfax, Virginia with flat tire, and I was panicking because I was looking for a gas station that has the tire inflator outside. And guess what? Once I got there, I didn't have any coins. So good thing the cashier was really, really nice. He basically gave me $5 worth of quarter. So I went outside and inflate my tire. With having this unit in your car, you don't have to panic anymore when you have a flat tire. You just pull this out and here we go. You have it in your hands, and it's really, really easy. You just have to put the I just release some air out of my Jaguar XJR in its 3.5 psi, so I just put it at 3.19. So yeah, this is really cool. You just have to connect the tire inflator adapter right here to this tire inflator port and just screw it. It's really, really fast, and it's tiny like that. And just, this thing is like a computer, okay? It has like 4 modes. It says here, okay, you can actually let me see, change this to different mode, PSI mode, by clicking the M. But just it is all in the manual. Right now it's at 3.19 psi because I released some pressure. It is supposed to be at 3.35 psi. So yeah, 35 psi. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and inflate it. And look at this. There is like a car mode, which is my Jaguar regular car. Oop, hold on. You just have to press the M and then go to bicycle or motorcycle mode, basketball mode, SUV or truck mode. I'm gonna go back to car mode, and I'm gonna I want to put more pressure to, what do you call it, bring the PSI up. Anyway, and then you press this on and off button for 3 seconds. Voila! So yeah, it will just inflate your car tire, and then you can check it whether you reach the correct PSI. So when I come back, I will show you the other features of the unit. I'll be back. Hi everyone, we finally reached the correct PSI, and I can just unplug this and we're done. Isn't that cool? You have like a unit like this and we can bring it around. And not only that, let's say you got stuck in the middle of the road and you need to signal other cars that you are stuck. This thing comes with a signal light. Look, oh, flashlight. Hold on. Yep, right here. There you go. This is flashlight. You can use it as a flashlight, you know, at night. And also signal light right here, a red, you know, strobe light, so you can just signal other driver like, hey, I'm in trouble, you know. This is really cool stuff. Important emergency must have in your car. And look at that. And then another slower pace strobe light, which is fine, you know. Yeah, this is cool stuff. I mean, for a compact size car battery jump starter and air compressor, this is super impressive. So VTOMAN, you guys did a great job. I give you 5 out of 5 stars on this unit just because it is such a great product, and I'm really excited just to have this, you know. It comes with a nice bag, so you can carry it around and you can throw away the box. So yeah, this is really cool stuff. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Okay, not all car battery jump starter can meet the Jaguar XJR requirement. It is super hard car to jump start. Yeah, I'm really impressed. So if you have a truck, this thing can do it. Again, if your car battery is really low, VTOMAN created this booster button right here, which is gonna override any safety feature and just shock you to, shock the dead to, you know, back to life. So yeah, this is a cool feature. I'm really impressed. Wow, this is what I call really good innovation that's gonna be really good for consumer. Yeah, make sure you guys buy it from the link that I'm gonna put in the description below and get it, you know, because this is a must-have for emergency use. Yeah, again, it's really cold here in Virginia, and this is the perfect time to demonstrate how powerful this product is. So anyway, guys, love you guys, and thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And again, this is cool product. Thank you, VTOMAN. Bye.